Now, how heavy is the XDRC 945 excavator with a 3-channel valve? So, wait. Okay, I can do this, guys. I can do this. Full metal, super heavy. Oh my God. Okay, I got it. I don't got it. I need help. Okay, let's do this. Oh my gosh. All right, so that thing is gonna weigh around 23.6 kilograms. It is literally half my weight. I could never lift this for the life of me. Now, how high can it actually reach? So that's going to be from the bottom to the top, around 82 centimeters. Thing is tall. The tracks are going to be 40 centimeters long. The body itself is around 33 centimeters long. Ooh, turn around. The distance between the tracks is 27 centimeters. And finally, the width of the body is 23 centimeters.